Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Canva gig on Fiverr. First, pinpoint your unique design niche, like social media graphics or presentations, to attract specific clients. Next, craft an engaging gig title that immediately tells potential buyers what you offer. For example, I will design stunning social media posts using Canva. Then, choose the best category and up to 5 relevant search tags to ensure your gig appears in searches. This initial setup is crucial for attracting your first customers and standing out among thousands of sellers. Now, let's focus on your gig description. This is where you convince buyers of your value. Clearly outline your services, emphasizing your proficiency with Canva and the benefits clients gain from your designs. Use bullet points to make it easy to read and highlight key features. For instance, mention unlimited revisions or high-resolution files. Conclude with a strong call to action, encouraging them to order your gig. A well-written description can significantly increase your conversion rate. Next, we'll tackle pricing and packages. Fiverr allows you to offer 3 tiers: basic, standard, and premium. For your basic package, consider offering one simple design for $5. The standard package could include 3 designs with 1 revision for $15, while premium might offer 5 designs and 2 revisions for $30. Clearly list what each package entails, including delivery time and number of revisions. Research similar gigs to ensure your prices are competitive yet profitable for your time and effort. Finally, let's talk about your gig gallery and delivery. Your gallery is your visual storefront, so upload 3 to 5 high-quality images or a short video of your best Canva work. These visuals are critical for attracting buyers. Also, specify exactly what you need from clients to begin their order, like brand guidelines or content. Once an order is placed, deliver the final designs promptly and professionally through Fiverr's system. Excellent communication and timely delivery will lead to positive reviews and repeat business.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.